Hello, people of Zion. Welcome to step 3 of 4 of my Investing in Cryptocurrency for Beginners series. This is where I talk all things wallets and I show you how to get your crypto the heck off an exchange and into a more secure software or hardware wallet. In this video, I'm just going to give you guys a general overview as to how we transfer crypto from an exchange to a wallet or wallet to wallet, all just move it around. And if you want to see how to buy crypto or how to set up and use any of these wallets I mentioned, feel free to check out the videos I did on that. But for now, let's just see how crypto is transferred. Okay, stay tuned. Welcome back, the Oracle from the blockchain here, and happy to help guide you through the golden crypto country. Now remember, when it comes to discussing all these exchanges and wallets and things like that, I am not a rep. Okay, I cannot give you all the ins and outs of these products. I'm just here to show you how I did it so that you can see how it can be done. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. Now that we know how to buy crypto on a specific exchange using cash or fiat, we're gonna wanna move crypto around. We're gonna move it from one place to another. So the first thing we're gonna wanna know when we do this is, does the place we wanna send it to accept that coin or token? Look at the sun, people. I am magical. All right, anyway, so say we're on an exchange. I'm gonna use Binance in this example. And if we wanna transfer money into our account, we're gonna go to the deposits page in the drop-down menu, and we're gonna look to see if that crypto is supported. And if it is, once you click on it, it'll give you the address for that crypto, your specific address for receiving crypto into your account there. It'll be written out or in QR code, and then you will put this address in the corresponding transfer wallet's withdrawal page or sending page, whatever they call the going out page. When you're transferring out, all you have to do is make sure you have the right crypto first, that you're under your right crypto account. If you want to send out Ethereum, don't be under your Bitcoin. And then you have the right crypto on the receiving end and the right address on the receiving end. I like to copy and paste addresses. I don't use the QR code because that's still voodoo to me. You know, I don't play with that stuff. But don't think you could just like type out the address either. Like, don't try to eyeball it or have a friend read it out. No, you guys will both go cross-eyed, or you, if it's just you by yourself, you go cross-eyed. Be very careful. Remember, you are your own bank now. All right, so any mistake you made, there's nobody to complain to. If you do something wrong, you just, lost your crypto. It's just out there. Maybe some other lucky person, maybe they prayed for it, I don't know. But if you praying for your own crypto, don't make any mistakes. Like, don't get drunk, come home, think you could just start transferring. No. Fly to Tibet, join a Buddhist monastery, cultivate calmness, and only then, with a steady hand, should you try to transfer your crypto. Now, when it comes to transferring crypto with a wallet like a software wallet, and in this example, I'm going to be using Exodus, if that wallet supports that coin or token, you usually just have to go up to like their wallets tab and select the crypto from the list that they suggest, or search for the crypto in their search box, and you'll get the address for that wallet and proceed just like we did in the Binance example. And this works for both depositing and withdrawing, or receiving and sending. They might change the words up a little bit, but same thing. And if the wallet's app that you're using doesn't support the coin or token that you want, you just have to find an app that does. If you're using a hardware wallet and that hardware wallet's app doesn't support it, so maybe you're using Ledger and Ledger Live, or Trezor and Trezor Suite or something doesn't. So you got to find a wallet's app that does support it, and that'll also support your hardware wallet. And that'll also support, the coin that you're looking for. So don't just immediately turn your hardware wallet into a doorstop because it ain't working for you. Go do some research and find something that does. You can do it. You can do it. And when it comes to transferring crypto to a hardware wallet, like, the examples I have are like Trezors and Ledgers and wow, that rhymes. I never knew that. Anyway, you're gonna usually have to create an account first for each coin or token. So you're like in the desktop app or mobile app, you'll create an account, and then the corresponding, Ledger, Trezor, or whatever, you'll be getting prompts to create an account on these that you have to validate as well. These are your private keys. Remember, these are necessary to validate any transaction or anything that's going on with your crypto. Once you create those accounts, you'll then get an address for that coin or token, and then you input that into the corresponding place that you want stuff sent to or received or whatever. It's usually agonizing as heck when you're waiting to make sure that the transaction was accurate and successful. Fortunately, some of these hardware wallets and things, like, they will let you know that the address was at least right. While it takes a while for the blockchain to confirm that transaction, it might show up as unconfirmed, right away, and then take another 30 minutes to change to confirmed. But at least you'll know that the address was right. Others, not so much. Others could give a damn how you feel. All right, so if you have no idea what I was talking about with any of this stuff, but you just liked watching, you may want to learn about this stuff in my Investing for Cryptocurrency for Beginners in a Nutshell video, or look at any of the other videos on buying or wallets or exchange, whatever, so that you are caught up. And in the meantime, remember that this is the Oracle from the blockchain reminding you to eat a cookie.